290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a text to automatically send at a specific time and date on Android phones without the use of a special app. This is basically a feature similar to the one in Gmail, where how in that feature you can schedule emails to send ahead of time. This is a feature that Google just put on the newer versions of Android that allows you to schedule a text to send ahead of time. So, if you're up if you want to schedule a text to automatically send the next morning or so, or a few days from now, you can do that using this feature. So all you want to have to do is open up a new text and just type something. Let's type test. Then what you're going to want to do is hold down the SMS button for a few seconds, and then this screen should appear. Now you can either select one of the preset times here, later today, 8 a.m., later today, 1 p.m., whatever, or you can select a custom time and date to send it. Select the day you want to send, click next, and then you can select the time there. Just click next, and then that's it. And then after you click send the SMS button, that is the date and time that text will send automatically. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.